We are heading to Port Caloocan. Well, it's only 2 minutes from home, so naisip ko pasyalan and tingnan natin kung anong mga display nila, kasi kakabukas nila yan ng about mga 2 months pa lang siguro yung Port Caloocan. Alright, samahan nyo si Kuyang F. Okay, gagawa tayo ng walk around doon. Okay, ito, papasok na tayo dito sa Port, kasi Port North Caloocan. Well, kaka-open nila dito, kaya isay, tingnan mo yung may mga naka-display. Isay. Hello everyone, it's F. Ganadin here at Port North Caloocan. And behind me is the famous pickup truck in the country. It's the new generation Ford Ranger Raptor. Alright? Samahan niyo ako, bibigyan natin to ng very short walk around. Alright, let's take a look at the external design. To begin with, this Ford big lettering, you see? Alam mong Ford na yung parating na sasakyan pagka makakasalubong ka nito sa kalsada, together with this famous daytime running light nila. Ito ang gamit na lang nila sa mga Ranger or Everest, at itong Raptor talagang napaka-famous yan, ha? And then with this matrix LED, you see, napakaliwanag niyan sa gabi. Importante yan when you do off-roading sa gabi. Talagang hindi mo kailangan ng ng driving light, to be honest, kasi more than enough na yan para makita mo yung surrounding. Okay, ito rin yung fog light, meron din kabilaan. And then let's take a look at the bottom here. Our under body protection, yan, makapal to, ha, steel plate. So ang purpose nito, let's say umakyat ka ng Mount Balagbag, di ba, mabato doon, yan ang protection niya sa ilalim. Okay, itong si Ford Ranger naman is, have a look, this recovery hook, you see, kabilaan din ang recovery hook neto. Ang purpose nito, every time magre-recover tayo, may nabalahaw or tayo yung i-recover, dito tayo maghuhook ng winch or or tali. Yan, so kabilaan yan. Okay, alright, dito naman tayo sa wheels. Have a look the wheels. Apparently it's some 17-inch alloy wheels and comes with BFG KO2 28570 17 tars. You see, yan ang napakaganda rito, ha, naka 285 na kaagad. You don't need to lift your vehicle, di ba? And then dito naman is the upper control arm alloy. You see, ang ganda, ha. Hindi mo rin kailangan mag-upgrade ng UCA. And the lower control arm as well, you see, upgraded na yan. And to make this car very special is because of this the Fox Racing suspension 2.5, you see, ayan, kaya talagang napaka-smooth ang ride neto sa highway or on-road, off-road. Talagang hindi ka magsisisi dito sa suspension niya, kasi Fox talagang premium brand na suspension yan. Kilalang kilala naman sa mga mahilig mag-adventure. Yan ang gamit. And the other side, eto rin. Okay. Alright, balikan natin ang wheels. Marami nang nag-upgrade dito ha. Itong, let's say, into bigger tires like 35. Yun nga lang, maraming modification at saka marami ng off-road shop ang gumagawa niyan. Look at the fender, tapos look at this air vent. You see, kabilaan yan, air vent. Alright, let's take a look naman itong side step niya. You see, it's color block. Try natin tungtungan. You see, this is a cast iron. So, talagang, napakatibay nito. And then, ang purpose ng mga holes na to is, every time sa buhangin or pumunta ka ng Mapanuepe o sa Lahar ka mag-trail, Delta B, Pinatubo, yan, maglalaglagan yung mga buhangin. So, hindi siya mag-i-stuck. And then, have a look the rear wheel. Parang kasya talaga yung 35-inch, no? Ang lawak kasi, oh. Ayan. Okay. Have a look tong side mirror niya. This is cool, man. You got 360 camera. You see? Ang ganda, plus the winker light. Oh, grabe, ha? First time ko makakita ng, merong 360 camera. Alright. Dito naman tayo sa likod. You see? Apologize about the sun, the sun reflection or the sunshine. Ito, LED tail light. So, makikita mo na talaga na Ford Ranger yung nasa harapan mong sasakyan. Ang ganda ng tail light. And then, ito, malabo talaga. Nagre-reflect yung sunshine. This rear bumper, parang, similar sa previous at kumpleto talaga ng, recovery point. Grabe ha, ito ha. Kabilaan. Ito yung isa ha. Talagang hindi sila nagtipid. Kasi sa ibang sasakyan, sa ibang pick-up, meron, isa lang. Pero si Ford Ranger Raptor, hindi nagtipid. 4. You see? Ito. Check the, rear suspension. Oh, sorry about the sunshine. Ito, lilipat tayo dito sa kabila. And titingnan natin. Ayan, yung Fox suspension natin dito sa likod. Okay. Ito, you see? Napakasarap ng ride nito. Talagang para kang nakakotse. Ha? Alright, tapos na tayo sa exterior. Dito naman tayo sa interior. Taran! You see? Look. Ito yung driver's side. And look at the steering wheel. Ayan, the steering wheel, the control panel. You see? Ito, ang daming pindutan. Sorry yung screen di ko may pakita. LCD. Alright. And the aircon vent. You see, my color is the orange. You see, parang tatak Ford na to, You see, the Raptor. Ayan, grabe ha. Elegante yung loob. Kasi ganda ng upuan. And then let's check this center console. The 4x4 button. The 4 high, the 4 low, and the 4A. You see? Ito rin yung handbrake. That's the handbrake. And this comes with automatic transmission, 10 speed. Diyan kilala si Ford Ranger Raptor. You see? And guys, have a look this massive entertainment screen. So, sulit na sulit ha. Yung pasahero mo, kitang-kita nila. May enjoy nila yung big screen dyan. You see, dito sa gitna. Okay. And then, have a look this. The interior is all block. Ceiling is block. You see, meron lang stripe na orange ang dito sa upuan. Okay. Parang napaka-komportable. Komportable yung upuan. Talagang elegante yung loob. Ang ganda. You see? Center console, glove box compartment. Here. You see? Ayan, nangingialam na tayo dito. And let's have a look the, back seat. Well, ang kulo dito yung bukasan. Ayan, power window, switch. Andyan. Ayan. So, yeah, let's check the back seat. You see? Ito rin yung, side ng pintuan dito sa likod. And look, ayun, ang ganda naman ng ng upuan niya. Kasi ang ganda. Oh man, talagang yayamanin. So subukan natin sumakay dito sa likod kung sa sasakyan natin. Meron din palang aircon vent dito sa likod, so talagang malamig. And then check this out, meron tayong USB port kung gusto mo mag-charge ng cellphone or laptop. You see, ito may mga port tayo dito, may mga saksakan tayo dito sa mga gadget natin. Okay, yan yung harapan. Sino ba namang hindi may in love dito, ha? Ang ganda ng loob. You see, ang ganda ng loob nitong Ford Ranger Raptor na to. Komportable din, ha? Maganda. Medyo slant yung upuan niya compare sa Hilux ko is talaga, very uncomfortable pagka nasa likod ka na. You see? Ayan! So, try din natin pala buksan tong tailgate niya, ha? Wow! Grabe. Napakagaan, ha? Napakagaan. You see? Meron rin siyang bed liner, stock na bed liner. Yan. May plenty of hook as well. Kasi marami tayong sasamitan, marami tayong tatalian. Ayan, ganda. You see, napakagaan isarado, oh. There you go. Alright, let's talk about the engine. This comes with 2.0 bi-turbo 4-cylinder engine that makes 208 horsepower and 500 Newton meter of torque. Alright, what do you think, guys? Is it fair? Yung presyo niya na SRP is 2,399,000 pesos. Okay, I know maraming naglo-looking forward dito sa sasakyan na to, kaya sumikat ng todo dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi napaka-elegante, masarap gamitin to, pang araw-araw, napaka-smooth ang ride. Alright, thank you so much for watching.